Welcome to our FAR-UV warehouse, where we assemble, test, and repair FAR-UV and AeroMed devices. First, we have shipping, where we can receive incoming orders and repairs. Next, we have our assembly zone. Our in-house lead engineer oversees each product is set up and assembled expertly and efficiently. Today, we have our K11's internal wires being connected with the necessary parts lined up and ready for their devices. Laid below are the presence board, power supply, and bulb. Taking a closer look, we will see the K11 assembly in detail. The voltage side is connected first, giving communication between the PIR board and power supply. Then we tuck the wire to the side until connecting at a later point. He then connects the I voltage to the power supply, then to the main board. Following each assembly, we test the sensor on each and every item built. This involves testing the fluency output of each sensor, making sure it is as expected. Here, he is twisting the potentiometer on the power supply, affecting the fluency, and we can see various outputs associated with his minor adjustments. Each device can then be put back together for shipping or storage. Now we have the opportunity to see the minute differences between the K11 and 36s. The K11 will have the PIR sensor and interlock switch, and the back has a simple wired connection. The K36 has the same PIR sensor, interlock switch, and standard wire connection on the back. Taking a closer look at these units side by side, you'll notice the K11 has a diffuser over the bulb, while the K36 does not have that filter. FAR-UV primarily uses SolidWorks for our proprietary designs, allowing for in-house adjustments and regular R&D. These designs are the K11 and MVP. We have multiple 3D printers, creating a seamless supply chain for specific pieces and incredibly detailed parts to be designed and built on site. A surplus of extra parts are regularly prepared, allowing us to move at the pace of our team members and create pristine products for our consumer and client demand. On the back side of our warehouse, we move to shipping. We keep all packing materials like boxes, padding, and labels prepared. We also have a forklift and garage door allowing for orders of any size, making sure customer service and quality control are a top priority. Thank you for visiting our FAR-UV warehouse.